Diamonds, it's Jamequa Stevens and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to ship from home using PayPal. This video will show you how to ship your package when you don't have a PayPal invoice. For short, an invoice is a bill that you send to your customers for the services or products you provide to them. One reason that you might not have an invoice is that your customer paid you through another way. For example, if they decided to pay you through Cash App. When you don't have an invoice, you'll just have to manually enter the customer's information. It's a simple and easy process, so let's get started. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. Before you create your invoice, make sure that you weigh your package with the scale. I use this scale right here. It's from Amazon, the Accutech scale. It weighs a maximum of 50 pounds, and all you have to do is lift this part up, put the item on the scale, and then it'll weigh it. I'll leave a link to this scale in my description box below. The website that you're going to go to is www.paypal.com/shiplabel/create. You're going to put in your customer's information. Once you do that, you hit submit, and then it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to pick your carrier name. I usually use USPS, then service type, first class mail, parcel 2 to 5 days, and then the package type is a package/thick envelope. I already know how much my packages weigh. So then I'm going to go to USPS tracking because I want to track the label, and then signature confirmation. Once you hit submit, it'll tell you the shipping costs, including the postage costs and the confirmation. And you'll have the option to pay whichever way you want to pay. I just usually use my PayPal balance. And then you hit confirm and pay, and then the shipping label is going to come up and you're going to hit print. And that is how you mail a package from home through PayPal without an invoice. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.